Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, a very special 1969 Pontiac GTO. A killer color combination. I got the owner here is going to tell us a little bit about it.
It's a beautiful 1969 GTO. This is a real gentleman's car. It is a 404 barrel, numbers matching, automatic transmission with icy cold air. Original white with red interior and a red vinyl top. Any GTO aficionado would know that they did not come with red vinyl tops. This car was originally a white vinyl top, as you'll see with tons of documented photos of this car since birth. Everything functions as proper. It has the gentleman's style factory exhaust system in it without the chrome exhaust tips, which very few cars, almost all cars that were restored, they put the chrome tips on there. I'm sure that's something you can do easily if that's what you want to do for yourself. The sound system is a retro sound original style radio, but with the boosted amplifier and the rear deck speakers, which are hidden underneath the rear dash. The car was a frame-off restoration, very properly done, with loads of documentation, tons of receipts. The only upgrade done to the car is, as you can see, it has 15-inch rally wheels, original Pontiac 15-inch wheels, which is a stylistic upgrade to the original 14-inch wheels. Otherwise, everything functions well. Car drives great, starts immediately. True hassle-free car.
Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. A lot of really nice options.
Hideaways.
You got the hideaways up front.
Everything functions.
And I have never seen this color combination. It is a gentleman's car.
Yeah, no doubt.
Got the 15 wraps in brand new red lines, it looks like.
Yep. Panel fit is unbelievable.
I noticed
Original
that
metal.
right away. The nose
Original
fits
metal
beautiful.
everywhere.
Original floor, original trunk.
Yep.
Man, this interior is just killer.
Just a great color
It
combination.
really is.
The previous owner of this car took 15 years assembling new old stock parts to restore the car because he did not want to use aftermarket or Chinese-made aftermarket parts. So as you see, all the glass is original except for the windshield, the later piece, because obviously they weren't available anymore. But otherwise, it's all General Motors, all from the General.
That's why we have such great fitment of everything. Just beautiful. Correct spare back here. It's a Uniroyal.
It's an original NOS spare tire and rim.
Man. We do have lots of documentation. We have lots of receipts, including photographs of when it was restored. PHS documents as well. You check.
Pre-restoration photos showing how nice the car was before it was even done.
Which is very important. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
There's the air compressor kicking on. Air blows cold, huh? Man, what a gorgeous car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Keep in mind we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. So I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot and have a great day.